Alright, so I'm back. So in the last video, that semi got here. And so it's just that semi and the 8400 out here doing these beans. So yeah, they're just loading the combine right now. So yeah, like I said, there's no shade anywhere. So yeah, sun went behind some clouds, so that makes it all right now. Yeah, 160 acres against a 25-foot bean head and a 9570 combine, and we won't be done until Thursday. Will be the last day that we're out here combining, and then we'll move to Berdine's farm, which is just up that road and then that way a little bit. So yeah, I should probably pull up down there with the four-wheeler, so that way I can keep my eyes peeled. He has a little strip over there. Now he's got it left to take out. I'm gonna move the four-wheeler over up in front of the trucks over there. So I'll bring you guys back once I get the four-wheeler moved. Alright, so I'm back. I just moved the four-wheeler down here. Sorry about that, you guys. I had to try and reposition my arm a little bit. So, anyway. Yeah. There is a lot of dust. Getting a little, just cooling off a little bit, not by much. So, semi is over there. So we're not using the 7820 and the other 544. So yeah, they're gonna keep ahead of the combine. So, yeah, I don't know how long I'll stay out here. Yeah, you can't hardly see the combine, but see a little bit of it. Yeah. Here he comes. He's on his way back. So, yeah, I really don't got much else to say. So FS25 season 12, like I said, is gonna get put on hold for the time being until harvest gets done. Sorry about that, you guys. Bug on the camera. So you see all the fine chopped stuff around here. So yeah. Some of you guys are probably gonna ask if Rooster Mods found anything about the Parker 2500 gravity wagon. Well, he hasn't yet, but he will be soon, hopefully. Yeah, there's so much dust over there you can't see the combine. So, yeah. Just barely see the combine through the dust. Just barely. So, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.